Hi and welcome to another tutorial, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a stamina bar. Let's start. Okay, so today I'm going to use a rectangle. I'm going with a rectangle. Let me make something like this. Yeah, that could work. Let me make it a bit thicker. There's this person there. Okay, do some adjustments. Double click, then gradient overlay. I'm gonna give it a nice blue, something like this. This could work. Well, okay, we're gonna do this. I'm gonna give it inner shadow. Make the angle 90, distance, something like 2. Size a bit bigger, opacity a bit lower. Maybe color like here's something like this. Yeah, something like this. Okay, then inner glow. Size, let me make it a bit bigger. Let me make this something like this. Here we go. Let me make this a bit lower, the opacity. And I guess this is good. Now, Control J. Let me rename this. Let me make this invisible. And now clear the layer style so it goes back to normal. And I'm gonna add in a gradient. I'm gonna make it a bit darker. Make the opacity lower so it blends in with the white color, which is the base color. Then I'm gonna give it a drop shadow, inner shadow, something like this. Inner glow, something like this. Stroke, make it outside, make it 4. Go from color to gradient. Then I'm gonna give it a metallic white. Yeah, this shall be good. And I guess this is it. This is the outline or outer frame, and this is the inner frame, as you can see right here. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you.